Hello, the high for today is going to be 78 degrees, and I thought it would be a perfect day to do a DIY project. On this video, I'm going to show you how I put this planter stand slash bench together. And all you need is lumber, maybe 4 pieces of lumber, and 12 cinder blocks. If you decide to use this as a bench, I would advise you to get some cement glue to glue the bricks together and also put it on a level surface. Since I'm going to be using this mainly to hold my plants in grow bags, I really didn't care about it being leveled. I'm just going to put bags of dirt on it. I am so glad that I didn't fill that Vigo garden bed up with soil yet. I have moved it around so many times. So now it's time for me to put the other 6 cinder blocks on the opposite side of what I've already done. Finally, it's time to put the lumber in the top row of the cinder blocks. And those 4 holes, just slide it through, one lumber at a time. Now here's the finished product. Now I have to go inside and get my newly purchased grow bags. So I have 12 grow bags, and I don't know if all 12 of them will be able to fit on here, but I know some of them will. And my plan is to put peppers in some of these bags, or maybe some of my herbs. But I do know this: it is time to bring some of my seedlings outdoors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.